Hello my friends, I'm glad to welcome you to my channel again, and I want to share with you the process of painting Gold Autumn. This time I used acrylic paints and the size of my canvas is 60 by 50 centimeters. You can also use other paints or other sizes of canvas. Watch this video to the end and you will see the full process of creating this autumn landscape. When I painted the sky, I followed one principle. The sky near the horizon should be lighter than the sky at the top of the canvas. So you should create a soft gradient of the sky from the horizon to the top. By the way, when we will paint the reflection, we will do the opposite gradient from the bright horizon to the dark bottom of the canvas. First I paint the sky and the distant shore, and then I will paint the water, the reflection of the shore, and the leaves in the foreground. For your convenience, the reference added by the link in the description under this video. You can download this photo and use it in the process. You can stop the video wherever it is convenient for you and paint the picture at your own pace. I will give you some comments during the video. I wish you a pleasant viewing and painting process. And don't forget to follow my channel if you want to see more video tutorials. We start to paint water. As I said, we make a gradient from the light horizon to the dark bottom of the canvas. This technique with sky and water gradients always looks great on landscapes and creates perspective in your painting. Notice that the bottom is almost black in color. Next, we start painting the reflection on the distant shore. We need to try to repeat the details of the shore. Here I can give you some tips. The first one, try to repeat object not large. It is better to paint the object in the reflection smaller and then add the necessary volume to it, than to make the mistake and paint the object larger. In this case, you will have to add volume ashore and change an already conceived plot. Next tip, make brush strokes vertically and abruptly. This method will help to create the reflective effect. One more tip, in real life the reflection is always a little darker than the shore itself. Don't be afraid to make the reflection a little darker. If you make the reflection lighter than the shore, it will look not so really. Next I painted clouds using the brush and my fingers. I didn't paint this in great details because soon the clouds will be covered with leaves. Sometimes to paint a reflection you can first make a dark background and then add details. This method is suitable for acrylic paints that dry quickly. Don't use this method with oil, you will get dirt. Next, we paint the leaves on the water. In the distance, there should be very thin light stripes, strictly horizontal, close to each other. The closer the leaves is to us, the thicker the lines of leaves become. The distance between the foliage increases. I paint foliage in different colors: yellow, red, orange, brown, using it with dark and light tones. The closer the foliage is to us, I mean to the bottom of the canvas, the larger and clearer it is. We have finished our painting. I hope you found it interesting and helpful. Follow my channel to watch other video tutorials. In the description under this video you will find my Instagram as well as my website where my paintings are available for purchase. I wish you a good day and bye for now.